minsan medyo hubadera ako. But, actually, in the past, kasi parang feeling ko ngayon lang talaga din nakikita lahat. In the past, nagaganon ako because you have to also be versatile. It's not na pinipilit ko. I have my limits. But whatever I feel comfortable wearing or I feel like it boosts my confidence, minsan din kasi nasa nagdadala na sa styling. And we are very secure. That's the secret of it all. After nito, wala na talaga akong maitatago. For example, the Schiaparelli dress na sobrang see-through. Ang una pa namin dyan, naglagay kami ng stockings na parang balat. Tapos then you put the thong on top, but then hindi maganda. So I said, okay, you know what? Let's just put a normal, seamless lang na panty na sobrang balat lang. And then, sa ilalim nun, kasi it's just a tape. So, kita pa rin. So, ang sabi ko, you know what? Meron akong extra earrings na mukhang earrings siya na gold. Ipapuncture natin yung silicone, tapos may tape ako, na beauty tape sa ilalim, ilalagay natin sa above, pero bawal akong ihag. Kasi pag hinag ako, duguan. Alam mo yung tips ko? Dalhin nyo na lahat ng tape, lahat na ng silicone, dalhin nyo na. It's better to overpack than to make a mistake when